Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you an autumn album with the size of 8 inches by 9.5 inches. The cover is made of delicate suede and is well stitched around the perimeter. On the cover you can see a window-shaped shaker made of eco leather, decorated with brads and the composition of 2 boards. Inside the shaker you can see the autumn leaves, which are made of cardstock tinted with ink and varnished after. I used paper from Eco Park Paper Company. Vellum paper dividers with stamping of autumn leaves look very cute. Large pockets can fit a lot of photos. Acetate pockets are decorated with dried leaves inside. In this album I used various beautiful corners to fix photos. Dividers made of acetate look very interesting and unusual. On top they are decorated with stamped leaves and inside the incredibly beautiful autumn dried leaves. These were helped me collect by my eldest daughter. The album can contain more than 120 photos. Photos will look magical in this pocket with the acetate window. Eco Park paper is very bright, cheerful, rich and perfect for autumn photos. I will no longer distract you. Enjoy your watching! Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!